Bro, yo, unboxing, bruh. Hello! Hey guys! I know it's been a minute. I'm sorry it's been a minute. I know, okay. I know it's been a beat. I know I haven't posted a long form in a while, and I'm sorry. I have a bunch that I just haven't had the time to edit. But I'm gonna try to do them soon. I'm traveling soon, and then I will do them after I get back, or maybe I'll do a couple while I'm traveling. Anyway, I'm traveling for a very exciting reason. So exciting, it's so exciting. I can't tell you, but I want to tell you. But take some guesses, okay? Okay, anyway, so update. We're doing a quick update. I wanted to do a thank you. Today we're doing an unboxing from the row, but we're also going to do a little thank you and a channel update. So channel update, unboxing, row, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, shopaholique. So we're going to do a quick video today. We're going to do Black Friday part 1 unboxing from the row. We're going to do a thank you. We're going to do a memberships, a channel update, and a surprise. Okay, so first, Black Friday sale. This is the first in my many Black Friday things that I bought. We will be doing a few unboxings of these. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, so first channel update. Like I said, I'm sorry I have not been posting these in a while. I have been a little swamped, but I will try to get more of them out more consistently. And I also want to know from those of you that are subscribed to my membership tiers, what more you want to see from the membership tier. So let me know in the comments below what you want to see for that, to keep that going for you guys, because I want to give you an exclusive experience. So let me know. Okay. I also wanted to say thank you for 3,000, you guys. This is huge. It's crazy. I can't believe I'm at 3,000 subscribers. More than 3,000. So thank you to all of you that have subscribed, that have been a part of this since the beginning, that have joined wherever you've come in. I appreciate you. I love you. I thank you. I love doing this, and I'm glad that you guys are enjoying it too. Okay, so thank you. Okay, my really exciting news. I can't tell you, but I want you to guess in the bottom comments below. I am going. I mean, who are we kidding? Okay, you know what? I'm going to go get something. I'm getting a dream bag. I'm getting my dream bag. I'm getting my dream bag. Okay, that's all. I'm gonna go pick it up, and then once I get it, I'll take you guys along for the whole journey, and then we'll unbox it together, okay? That's all I'm gonna give you, okay? Okay? Okay, that's it. Thank you guys. Okay, anyway, let's do this unboxing. So this is something I got. Now we're gonna do the unboxing. So this is from the row last week, Black Friday, part of my Black Friday things. I got a few things. This, I don't know if this was actually part of their Black Friday sale. It was just part of their... I did a video about it. They have 50% off sale. I thought they stopped doing their 50% off sales after they got bought. After they got investors from Chanel and like everything, the sales were going out to the roof, and everybody wants the row, everybody wants the row, everybody wants the row, right? So I thought they would stop doing their sales. Despite their sample sale that they have in New York, thought they stopped doing their sales on their website. But I got an email that was like 50% off sale, so I like rushed to it. I went through all of it. There's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of clothes. There's a lot of shoes and a few bags, men to women. Almost everything was 50% off. Again, it's still quite expensive for the row because it's row pricing, but I thought I would get one thing because why not? So I got one thing, and we're gonna unbox it now. So this is actually, technically this is a women's item. I wanted the men's version, but the men's version wasn't on sale, and I had seen it in the store before, so I was like, oh, okay, why not? I'll just get it. Yeah, okay, so it's actually in the women's section, so I got a size large. Also, they pack it very nicely. Comes with like two little documents with the receipt. It was in this little packaging like this. I already unboxed it, obviously, but it's got the cute little packaging from Zero. And then more packaging, and then a little, this is my favorite part, it's got a little thank you card that just says thank you in very small, like that's it, which feels very, you know, Mary-Kate and Ashley Yo row. And it's like, you know, nice cardstock, and I think it says the row somewhere on here. No, it does. Oh yeah, it says it up there, the little symbol on the top. Okay? Anyway, it's this shirt. It's this red shirt, and I love it. It's the Icy top. It's kind of like this. It's very big, very oversized. It's a large. I probably should have gotten an extra large. I already tried it on because it fits, but it's a little, like when I lift my hands up, it's like a crop top, which is fine like for the summer and once I get my abs back. But for now, it's going to stay, my arms are going to stay down, okay? So I'll try it on real quick. One sec. Okay, this is what it looks like. Wait, can you see me? Oh, okay. I like it. It's big and flowy. It reminds me of that Loewe shirt I got from The Real, which I feel like was around the same price point. So this was, okay. So this was $600, $590 retail, and I got it for half off, so it was $290. So it was $300, which I know is a lot for a t-shirt. I know. I also just bought a 3-pack of t-shirts from, I guess I could just unbox this too, but like I bought a 3-pack of t-shirts from Saks for $45, which was like $15 a t-shirt, and it was through my Amex $50 Amex credits. It was free. This was free. These were free t-shirts. I know I'm stingy. I'm exorbitant. I'm extra in spending, and I'm also stingy in spending. Do you know what I mean? It's like I spend a lot, and then I penny pinch too. I don't know. It's just it's part of like how I am. I don't know how to explain it. How I grew up, how I was told to be responsible and like, you know, work hard and understand the value of money, but then also at the same time, like wanting to spend and like rebel. Yes, I don't know. It's probably something I need to figure out in therapy or something like that. Anyway, that's not a conversation for here because we're not talking about the here, we're just shopping here. Okay. Anyway, so I got it. And yes, $300 is a lot for a shirt. And me saying it out loud now makes me think that I shouldn't keep it, but I'm going to keep it, I think. I'm not going to return it. It is, I can't get the larger size. Unfortunately, the extra larges are already gone. I should have just got the extra large, but it's sold out on the website. So either I'll stick with this large or I won't do it. But I think I'll just stick with it. It's nice. And if I wear it enough, I feel like I will. I feel like this would be like a very comfy, everyday shirt to just wear. It's cotton, it's really soft, it's fluffy. And it's red, which is different because red's my favorite color and I don't have that much red actually that I wear a lot. Like, you know, a few red things. But actually, like, this is like, I don't know. And I can wear it out. Like, it's like a slouchy home thing, but also like fashionable wear, and it's not much, right? It's not like, it's simple, but it's stylish and fashionable, but it's also like classic and timeless. I think. We'll see. Anyway, that's all I got. I don't really need to do unboxing these. It's 3 V-neck t-shirts from Saks. I will do a shorts version of this unboxing, okay? That's all I got. Channel update, everything like that. I love you guys. Thank you guys for everything. So exciting. I'm gonna try to post as much as I can before I go, and then when I get back, we'll post more. Okay? Deal? Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share it with friends and family. If you hated to share with your enemies, next, I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'm gonna fly away now, baby. What?